A Christmas Poem, The Shepherd's Dog, by Leslie Norris. Out on the windy hill, under the sudden star, a blaze of radiant light frightened my master. He got up, left our sheep, tramped over the moor, and I, following, came to this open door, sidled in, settled down, head on my paws, glad to be here, away from the wind's sharpness. Such warmth is in this shed, such comfort from this child, that I forget my hard life, ignore the harsh world, and see on my master's face the same joy I possess, the knowledge of peace, true happiness.